No one will notice if one shrimp's gone, right? Shrimp skewer. Super fresh, super light. Took me less than 30 minutes. We're gonna make a marinade for our harissa garlic shrimp that we're gonna grill. So this is 2 lemons and the zest, 1 tablespoon of harissa, 3 cloves of garlic, a little bit of olive oil, of course sea salt, and some black pepper. Marinating these, gonna let them sit for around 10-15 minutes. Give them enough room to where the heat and it can cook all around. These are gonna cook up very fast. So have up all your prep and all your sides done ready. And we have our peppers. I just cut them into nice big pieces. 2 minutes, take your tongs, give them a nice little turn. I am using chickpeas in my salad, so we're gonna cut the peppers. I have some beautiful chives from the garden. Also gonna be adding in some fresh chopped cilantro. Use the juice and the zest of 1 lemon. Adding in our chickpeas. Adding in our cilantro, vinegar, good olive oil, some salt, ground black pepper, and crumble in some feta. I just want to drizzle good olive oil over my shrimp. And then I'm just finishing up a little bit of fresh parsley. Look how simple dinner was.